Hello, I'm Stuart. Before we start, we want to share that this video uses AI for graphics and voice, but all the information is manually researched by our team. Here in the video, we will share the details for the CRA error code ACC-010. As per our research, the error comes when users try to access their CRA account. Users have reported that they are unable to view their account balance or statement, and in some cases their tax refund is delayed. Users may also find that they can't view their payments or any transaction history. According to our research, there is no official explanation available for this error. But it appears to be an account-related issue on the CRA side which prevents users from accessing their information properly. Our only recommendation for this error is to contact CRA support directly. As this error is specific to the account and no general fix is available, only CRA support can assist you with the issue. Simply reach out to CRA through their official support channels and provide them with the error code. They will be able to look into your account and help resolve the problem. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.